So this question is department higher salary. So just return who has a higher salary in each of the department. So here's an example. So before we need to select a person, we need to know like which is the highest salary for each employee associated with the ID, the department ID. So we can tell like this is 1, 1, and 1. So we find a maximum in between. So which is what 90,000, and then department 2 is what this 2, and then the highest is 80. So we will say 90,000, and then department 1 80,000 for department 2. So and then we select the table with this amount of salary, and then you will get an answer. So let's start coding. So I'm going to have a 2 table using join. So select my column. The first column is going to be what the department that represent the data name as department, and comma. Next value is going to be the employee. So it's going to be what data name as employee. Another one is the salary, right? So it's going to be salary as salary. So I using the join. So employee join department. I'm going to say D, and department ID equal data ID, right? But I still haven't query my maximum value. So you can use in a where, and then we will actually target the EDA department ID and comma EDA salary. So how do we do this? We want to say write another query, sub query, to say does my EDA department ID and EDA salary is inside the maximum query. So maximum salary query. So submit. So since I'm using the EDA department ID and EDA salary, so I also need the EDA department ID and also the maximum for EDA salary, right? So where do I select? Select from employee E using the group by. Group by the department, right? The department, and then we can select the salary. So it's going to be EDA department ID. Alright, this is pretty long, but what I'm trying to say is that I need a subquery to find out the maximum value for the department ID. So it's going to be 1 represent 90,000, 2 represent 80,000. So if there is the condition in it qualify this, 90 and 80, then you will have it. So yeah, it's not going to be hard, but just a little bit tricky. Alright, so this is one of the solution. There's another one. I'm just using a copy and paste. Alright, so I'm still going to be select the department as data name, employee data name, salary data salary. From the department D, join the employee E on the data ID equal to data department ID. So there's another join. Look at this. I have first join, and I have second join, and then I have compare the department ID and then the maximum salary ID. So this is a maximum subquery. So I select the maximum salary as salary, and the department ID from the employee table group by the department ID. So this whole thing I would rename to MX, So I'm say mx department ID equal to the e.id, e.department ID, and also I want to find out the maximum salary, which is equal to what, e.salary. Then you select. So let me run it, submit. Yeah, so both solutions are similar, but yeah, if you still have a question, leave a comment. I will see you later. Bye.